Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use Clownfish Voice Changer. So the very first thing to do is to go to any web browser and then type voice-translation.com/voice changer. Okay, so you just have to follow what I'm typing right now. Then once done, all you have to do is to click this and it will take you directly to their main site or page. Okay, and this is what it looks like. So what you want to do here is to just simply tap download. Okay, as you can see, Clownfish Voice Changer, tap download. And you can see here choices, okay? But what you want to do is to select the very first one here, okay? Tap this, and you will see above that it is starting to download. Now, here's the thing, if you are not using your Google web browser and you can't see this download icon here, you can just go to the search icon and then type download. Okay, and then you just have to go to your download folder. Then there you'll see the files that you have downloaded recently. Okay, so let me tap this folder. Okay, right click and then click Run as Administrator. Now you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. So here it is. What you want to do here is to just simply tap Next, Next, click Next again, and then tap Install. Now, once done, what you want to do is to go to the search icon here and then type Clownfish Voice Changer and then click Open. Now, this application will not pop up automatically, but you have to go to this area right here and then here it is. And now, what you want to do is to simply right click. And then after that, the next thing to do is to go to Setup and then System Integration, tap this one. Now, what you want to do here is to install the microphone device that you're going to use. Let's just say you want to use this Clownfish Voice Changer to your Discord. So make sure that the microphone device that you're using on your Discord is the same thing. So click install. Now go back again, right click and go to set voice changer. Well, you can try this effects if you want. So probably if you change this to male, female, and other effects here, you can listen to that, okay? Once done, click close. So next thing to do is to open your Discord. Let's just say you want to use this to your Discord. Go to settings and then look for voice and video that is under app settings. Tap this one and then go to input device and then you just have to select that microphone device that you want to use, okay, or you have installed under your Clownfish Voice Changer. Now you have to open your Clownfish Voice Changer, tap this and then right click. Now go to set voice changer and choose the voice effect that you want to use here on your Discord. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.